Alright, well, what I want to learn, what I teach you guys here is speed control. I don't want you going straight down. The whole idea of this exercise is more control. So just go as slow as you can. Keep your knees bent. You want to sit down, turn your shoulders up. You're okay. This nose is up. Like a fat kid.
You got it. You doing? Sit back more on your hips.
What?
Sit back more on your hips. You're leaning forward and you're starting to slide. You got it. Let's go, Mr. Professional.
There you go. Keep it constant. You're doing good. Keep your shoulders curled.
You got it. You got it.
You feel that?
You got to get out of your you dug in. Jump up a little. Hop forward and now now lean back. You nervous? That's why you falling. I can tell. Let's keep going back. Yeah, like that. You got it. You got it.
Keep your shoulders up. Just sit down. There you go. Yeah, stand up straighter.
There you go. See?